friends, now I will show you how to replace the hard drive on your PlayStation 4 Pro and upgrade it with an SSD. Rotate it on the bottom side. Now I'll show you. We have to remove this cover. Now, as you see, it's very easy. Unscrew this screw, slide out the hard drive bracket. Here is our hard drive. Only you have to unscrew the 4 screws on the metal bracket to release the hard drive. Then take the hard drive out, put the new one, screw back the screws, and that's it. After that, you have to download the software from the PlayStation site and rebuild the software. So, thank you very much. Good luck.